So we're going to attempt the solar install today. We'll see what happens. But we have one Renogy flexible solar panel. We're going to connect it to the Zero Yeti 400 Lithium. And these are the cords that I got to hook it all together. So this should work. I've already tested it without hooking it on top of the van, so this definitely works. But how I'm going to attach it to the van is a different story. We're going to attempt to do the no drill method with the Eternabond double-sided sticky with also the Eternabond on top. So yeah, we're going to see. So here's my supplies. I'm going to clean up the roof, try to attach the solar panel with the Eternabond tape, and I'm not going to drill a hole right now because we're going to get a new roof on it soon, so I don't want to drill into this one until we get the one that we're going to keep. So we're going to just see how it goes, and I'll feed it through that window there. The window right there. I'll just feed it through there when I need to use it. See how that works. Here goes. Alright, so I've got double-sided sticky tape on the back of this thing. We're going to peel it off and stick it up there and see what happens. Okay, this is with the double-sided sticky tape on it. Now we're going to do the layer on top around the edges and see how that works. Okay, we have the Eternabond on the outer edges. This is very sticky as well. I really think this is going to keep the panel down. We will see though. Okay, have the cords hooked up, and the window here, so we will see how annoying that gets and see how it works on the inside. Alright, so we have success. We are plugged into the solar panel and getting some watts from our panel up there. Only 15 watts right now, but we're not in a high sun area, and it's also 4 p.m. so sun's starting to dip down. But what I'm more concerned with is the cord coming through the window. I want to find out if we're going to be able to close the window and leave it like this. This problem will be solved soon when we get our new roof and drill a hole for the wire, but for now, temporarily we're going to use this method and see what happens. Okay, so this is with the window closed. It still fits through, seems to still be working, so I guess I didn't damage the cord too much. Let's go see what it looks like outside. Okay, so this is what it looks like outside. Definitely not beautiful, but temporarily I think it's fine. I'm totally going to work with this for the next month, and then we're going to get a new roof and have it all properly installed. So it is sticking out a little more than this side, as you can see how this one is more flush. This one is sticking out here, but if I really want to close it, I could just disconnect these two right here and close the window all the way. So easy workaround. Okay, so this is the solar panel after traveling down the highway at about 75 miles an hour for 30 something miles, and hey, it hasn't moved a bit. Yeah, even the front, which I was worried about, hasn't moved. Here it is from the front. I was worried that air would come under here and lift up the solar panel, but it didn't, even though this was not all the way down. So yeah, it pretty much stayed where it was supposed to. So hey, I'm really happy with this flexible solar panel and Eternabond tape. Worked pretty good.